You can see behind me, there's all these different kinds of petunias. So I'm going to show you a couple of them.
Here's a brand new one coming out in 2024.
So we got invited to the Gardens at Ball, and we're so excited to be here because it's not open to the public.
Yeah, this is about 9 acres of display and trial gardens, ranging from everything from annuals to perennials. There's so much to show you.
Yeah, so we wanted to show you and highlight a couple of our favorite spots that we got to see.
Okay, you guys, come on into the garden and container showcase here at the Gardens at Ball. There's so much to look at in here, it's hard to know where to start. So what we have in here mainly is we've got petunias, we have calabricoa over there, we have geraniums. These are all going to be a blend of ball flora plant and selecta 1. There might be some other things mixed in that we'll find along the way. We've got these beautiful petunias. Here's a brand new one coming out in 2024. Look at that. Double petunia, it's jewel collection. It's called Frosted Sapphire. Wow. Bee's Knees is a very popular one that came out a year or two ago. We've grown that in our yard before. That was a fun one. Here's a whole bunch of calabricoa. Some of them are mixed with other plantings here. There's a new one. We want to show you all the new stuff. Double pink, neo double pink. That's a fun color. So think, I can see these just used in so many ways and paired with so many plants. Ooh, red Hawaii, honey. So let's take a look at this big mixed planter right here. This is Petunia Bee's Knees, which is this yellow petunia. We've got this beautiful grass back here. We've got calabricoa. This is a red Hawaii, which is a new introduction for 2024. So isn't that pretty how the yellow just kind of makes the center of that calabricoa pop? I really like that. It's just like a perfect big ball too, isn't it?
All right, guys, let's get in here. There's Allison right there. She's taking pictures. Hi, honey. And so we're going to come over here, look at these beautiful petunias, and look at the kind of container they're in. You know, that's a glazed type of container. That's more of a plastic type of container, but look at that decorative container, and then you've got that light pink there, and that right there, let's get in here and look at these. These are beautiful petunias. That is cannonball pink. Beautiful. Look how that just filled that out. These are all new plants from this year, so look how much that's grown and spread in all of these. I mean, gosh, gorgeous. We've got more pink, we've got red, we've got white. We've got a multicolor there. Let's see what that multicolor one is right there. Oh, Color Rush Pink Vein. Wow. Yep. Now look down here. We've got some multicolor. Oh yeah. So Color Rush Pink Star. Gorgeous. Amazing. There's so much you can do with these petunias. And just a minute, we're going to go look at the wave petunias. We're going to show you those too. So let's get over here. Take a little bit more. Oh, look at that one. Beautiful. Love this multicolor. Color Rush Merlot Star. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. It's amazing what they can do these days for this flower color and all the breeding. Wow. Let's go over here. Hey, look who it is.
Oh, we've got to show you guys these two beautiful new petunias coming out on the market in 2024. I can't pick a favorite. I don't know if Sean can either.
Oh, I love them all.
Let's look at I mean, there's so many, but these two specifically right up front.
Whoa.
So let's start here. This is from the Slingshot collection. This is called Burgundy Bliss. Look at that delicate, beautiful flower.
Beautiful.
Look at that piping of kind of a creamy white around the outside there.
Each flower looks like it was dipped.
It really does, doesn't it?
Yes.
And then right next to it, I actually think this might be my favorite. This is also from the Slingshot collection. This is called Lemonberry.
Ooh,
look at how gorgeous that is in a container.
Wow.
That is so beautiful.
Love that color. Yep, it's amazing what you can do with all these plants, all these petunias in containers, especially even hanging baskets.
Absolutely. So thinking of this for next year, you guys, what would you pair with either of these? Can you design a container in your mind? Because I can think of a whole bunch of different versions of this right now.
Me too.
So definitely look for this on the market wherever you buy plants.
We're in a different part of the Gardens at Ball. There's some great ideas that you can use here or gain here to use in your own garden for container gardening. You know, we are growing all of our garden in a container right now. So we really like this and we really identified with seeing all these different plants in this container. So let's take a look. Now you've probably heard of wave petunias, but we are at the source right now at Ball. This is where they literally make them, design them, grow them, and vet them for you and grow them out to make sure they are the best, most robust plants that you can buy out there. And so what we have here is we've got some easy wave petunias in mixed containers, and we've also got this dichondra, this Silver Falls mixed in with it. Isn't this beautiful? Gosh, it's such a unique, fun plant to grow, and it just trails down further down than even these wave petunias are trailing down. Now, there's two different displays of these wave petunias, and here's the mixed containers for the display. There's a mono planting of them, and we're going to show you that in just a minute. But first, we need to show you how they're planted in the bed and what they look like right now. Now, this is the last location at the Gardens at Ball that we wanted to show you for the petunias, the wave petunias. You can see here, these are big monoplantings in just containers hanging on this metal caging system here. And what we have here is we've got tidal wave silver. You can see that silver color with that purple in there, just beautiful, gorgeous. And it just goes all the way down. And then on top of that, we've got the easy wave violet purple. And this has been out for a couple of years now that we know of. We grew this last year or two, but this is a beautiful, robust plant, as you can see, and it does really well here in the full sunlight. And again, it goes all the way down in these planters. Okay, so let's go to the other side because there's a slightly different wave petunia here. This is the Easy Wave Rose Fusion, and it's a lot lighter than that purple violet. Now look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And again, this goes all the way down, a beautiful monoplanting. Now, we wanted to show you all these because we want to give you a lot of different ideas on how you can use the wave petunias in your garden too. So we hope this was really helpful. Oh, we're just going to walk down this pergola here. Oh, Allison's right there. What'd you find, honey?
I've got to show you guys this. This is so cute. This is an asparagus fern.
Oh, yeah.
Asparagus fuzzy fern frizz. They even kind of made a little cartoon guy.
Look at this.
Look at how cute this is. We love this. So we were on a tour a little earlier today, and they were telling us that a lot of people are raving about this asparagus fern, and they're using it in cut flower arrangements, which is a really fun idea because it adds a lot of structure to your bouquet.
Yep, for a filler.
And it's just cute, right? I mean, I could see this in a pot on just on a patio or in some kind of hanging basket. I think it's super cute, and it would be really cute paired with other plants as well.
Totally. And we are here looking at all of the Burpee tomatoes and different vegetable plants. I want to specifically take you over and show you the sun dippers. Oh yeah, look how big these are. You see these? Wow. Hey, let's get in here and look at these sun dippers and show you what we're talking about here. Where should we go? Oh, there's one right there. Okay, so see that shape? That's what they mean by dippers. They're sun dippers because they turn that yellow color, but then when they're ripe, and then you can grab them by this smaller part right here, and then you can dip them and still hold on to them and not get the dip on you. And that's how you can eat these. These are specifically bred for that. Aren't these cool? Now, one of the great things about these sun dippers are they are an indeterminate type of tomato plant. So they'll start producing fruit, and then they'll keep producing fruit all the way into the fall. Isn't that great?